Hello friends, I want to show you how to replace the iPhone 11 Pro USB connection port. Let's start the work after the intro. As you see on the screen, the USB connection point has been damaged. Use the paste and soldering iron. Let's clean the damaged part using a soldering paste. I was cleaning with a soldering iron. Use the heat gun and tweezer to move the unmovable things. Use a soldering wick to clean it properly. Now fit the USB connector portion. Use the heat gun to fix it. It's done. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share with others.